Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to customize text in Canva. Now, text is one of the most important parts of your design, and Canva gives you many tools to customize it. To add text, on the left panel, click Text, then choose to add a heading, subheading, or body text. This gives you flexibility depending on the type of content you're creating. Next, you can look into font style and size. Now, when a text box is selected, the top toolbar allows you to change the font style and size. Canva has hundreds of fonts, so you can pick one that matches your brand or design theme. Now, the text color tool lets you choose from default colors, your saved brand colors, or even create custom shade. Formatting options. Here you can make text bold, italic. For alignment and spacing, you use the alignment tools to place text left, center, right, or justified. The spacing options control letter spacing and line height, which helps keep your design balanced and readable. With text effects, Canva also includes special text effects like curve, neon, glitch, and more to make your design stand out. For font combinations, if you want ready-made styles, Canva offers text combinations with curated font pairings. These can save time and give your design a professional look instantly. Customizing text in Canva is not just about changing words, it's about making them fit seamlessly into your design so that your message is both clear and visually appealing. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.